This video will show you how to replace a blower motor on this Toyota Corolla. This will be located under the passenger side dash. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. We're making our way underneath the glove box. We're going to start dislodging this plastic panel. There's 3 locking tabs. Go ahead and squeeze in on the ear of the locking tab and carefully start pulling it down and out of place. Now along the forward side, all the way down at the end, there's just a locating tab. That's attached to this actual bracket itself. Now along the forward side, there's 1 locating tab. For that, we can just slide this out of place. Now that we have that panel out of the way, we have a clear view of our blower motor. Let's start with our electrical connector. Now this has a locking tab. You just want to squeeze it in and you should be able to pull this down and out of place. A quick inspection for corrosion, we'll set that aside. Now we also need to dislodge this bracket. You should be able to pivot it. It's held in place with a Phillips head screw. Let's remove that screw. There's our screw. Set that aside. Now we can move along to our 3 8mm mounting bolts. There's one here, and one all the way towards the firewall. Let's go for that inboard one first. Now, of course, we're going to hold the blower motor while we remove our final mounting bolt. Let's go ahead and remove that blower motor. Okay friend, let's prepare to install our brand new blower motor assembly. We'll bring this under the dash, align the mounting points so we can gain access to all 3 of our mounting bolts. For those, we're going to start them in and then we can snug them up. All right, they're all started in. Let's go ahead and snug them. Double check to confirm that's properly secured in place. Let's continue on with that electrical connector. Line it up, press it in, listen for a click. After your audible click, a light tug. Now when we bring this bracket into place, you're going to find that you do have a locating tab. You'll also have your mounting bolt port. We're looking at the bracket. The port in the center of those 3 ports you can see is the one for the mounting bolt. The one all the way over towards the connectors is the one for that little tab. So we'll just go ahead and line things up here. Start in that Phillips head screw. Make sure that's tight. Now we're going to put in the lower panel. Keep in mind, along where the firewall is, we have this square port for the locating tab on the panel itself. Now we're paying attention for all 3 of our locating points for the locking tabs just underneath the glove box. Line it up, press it in. Double check to make sure that's secured and it's not hanging down in an area that a passenger might get their foot stuck in any way. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you need to do is put the key in the on position and test your blower motor functionality on all speeds. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.